practice, I need to make you jump. Not exactly how I'm jumping. I mean, it kind of runs in the family, or it jumps in the family, depending on which way you...
What do you want?
Want?
Well, go on. You may as well get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There. I hope you feel better now.
Whoa, do you mind if I hop off and come back again? Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. I mean, connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, you'll come up more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your problem is. You've been praising yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You've got down in the mouth. Oh, I'm getting up there, crap. Come on, give us a smile.
I want to be left to my own.
That's just downright antisocial. Hang on, I got a human in my throat. Well, you must have liked depressing. I started out with a block of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I just say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince of frog food, and one day somebody's going to come along and kiss me, and I will release my enemy. And I say, nah, who wants to smell the frog? You know what our problem is?
No.
I haven't mentioned the frog. That's all. It's a question of taste. Just remember, one day, I'll win will be in. If you sit tight and really bad, if you silly fad, pass. Then those sporty silly will fall flat on their ass. Your mother works hard. Fashion is buffalo thing. But just you wait and see. They can walk on with different style, and then I guarantee out there some of ya, words out there, just around the corner, and the roots are falling now. Someone's gonna fall for you. Your eye may be dressing. Trust me, I'm dressing in my pine. If there's no frog, go do time to have a call. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Tell the kids,
Somewhere out there, we don't know where. Someone will care. We don't know where now. Somewhere out there, we don't know where, but someone is gonna fall for you.
just think
Goodbye. And if you ever find yourself in a duck track, do call it. I love you, my family.
Well, I'll be finding family. Stay warm, stay cheerful. Ribbon.